In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 not installing. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix any issues that you are having to install Black Ops 3 on Steam on your PC, or if you are having trouble using the disk to install the game on a console. So first, I'm gonna give you the PC tips. If you own Black Ops 3 through Steam and the installation is not going through, what I would recommend is that you open up the Steam launcher and go to your library. In here, just click Steam at the top left corner of the screen and then go over to Settings. This will open up the Steam settings as you can see. And now what you have to do is choose the downloads option. You will be able to see the download region that you have selected, and if you notice that this is wrong or not set to an optimal region, you can go ahead and change this. You can make sure that the download speeds are not being limited, and take a look at all of the other settings here. Usually, on default, you are going to be fine. The most important thing is that you change the download region and that you don't limit your download speeds. As long as you have these two options configured correctly, you should be able to install any game, including Black Ops 3. The next thing to check is your storage space. So go over to storage, you will be able to see all of the drives on your PC, and if you notice that one of them does not have the necessary amount of space, then you will have to delete some old stuff. Usually Steam is going to warn you, but sometimes maybe it is not going to detect that it doesn't have enough space and it's just going to start installing even though it can't finish the installation. So I would recommend that you go ahead, you take some of these boxes to uninstall games that you haven't played in a while. With all of this out of the way, as long as you have the downloads properly set up in the storage tab as well, you will be good to go. And if you are on console and you are trying to use a disk, then what you can try to do is put the disk in, and if the installation doesn't start automatically and finishes without any issues, with the disk inserted, go over to the store of your respective console, find Black Ops 3, and you should be able to download the game from there. As long as you have the disk inserted on your console, it is going to tell you that you own the game and you can download it from the store, manually forcing it to start installing. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Call of Duty 3 not installing. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.